So Evan, what do you want to say now about this gradual change? You know, someday it might be, definitely it is making, it's a money making business now, but to sustain te urpa khatir and a lot of new, because we know there is a lot of talent. Now you have come on screen now. अशें खुबसो टॅलंट गोंयान आसा आमचे कडेन, बट तांकां मे बी रिक्विजीट प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळना, एक बरें फिल्म मेळना, एस्पेशली कोंकणी मुवी बद्दल. वॉट इज युअर थॉट?
रोहित, actually to answer around no, but what I feel like, no, if there is a good script, if there are good actors, if there are a good technician, if there is a good producer, this हुई पण ते end जातोलें in a good way. If the script is not good and actors are good, producers are good, over. So सगळें जाता एक स्टोरीचेर. If the story is good, it will reach to the people in a good way.
You say formula films are not possible.
One thing is to make a movie, you don't need only money. You need a good storyline.
Okay. And about this entire production house now, can we see from your side as well, can we see a lot of association with this production house and a lot of movies coming
Yes,
from
we should.
this flow?
I think we should do it. Because now many artists are coming forward to do it. And for Konkani film, what we say always, we don't, रावना की आमकां प्रॉफिट जातलो. Just cost to cost जर काट जालो न्हू, cost to cost येयलो, that producer will think of doing another film.
Correct.
So I will request our audience also, please go and see the film in the theater.
Before we leave, what is the one message that you want to give, both of you, to our viewers?
म्हजी मेसेज आमच्या फिल्म पळोवप्यांक, खास करून कोंकणी फिल्म पळोवपाक, इल्लोसो टायम काडा आनी कोंकणी फिल्म थिएटरान येवन पळया.
मुवी थिएटरान चोवपा मातशें हें, आनी विसडी कांय येवपाना, आनी एक संवय करे लायक थिएटरान चोवपाचें, कित्याक बरें फिल्म आहाय ती घराकूच येयना, थिएटरान येवचें.
And one thing, when you come to a theater, it's not just you are just watching a movie and going, no, it's a family reunion.
Correct. And you enjoy family.
This is what Konkani film is doing, is bringing all family together, one family together once a while at least.
Okay. प्रिन्स जेकब बाब म्हणटा थिएटरान पळोवपाक मजा जी वेगळी आसा ती आनी खंयच ना. म्हणजे घरा कडेन स्क्रीन बारीक तुमच्या टेलिव्हिजनार पळोवपाक जितकी मजा ना तितकी ती थिएटरान पळोवपाक आसा. आनी चोयवीन बाब म्हणटा आनी खंय पळोवं नाका, MMS ती मुवी तुमच्या मोबायल स्मार्टफोनाचेरूय पळोवं नाका, बट वॉच इट ऑन द स्क्रीन्स एट द थिएटर नियर यू. आनी ताची रिलीज डेट जावन आसा April 10th. MMS ह्या पिक्चराच्या डिरेक्टरा कडेन आमी उलयले, ताच्या नंतर प्रिन्स जेकबा कडेन उलयले. आतां वेळ आसा हेचे एक्टर्सा कडेन उलोवपाची. ते जावन आसा माया कल्सी आनी केविन डिमेलो. वेलकम. हाऊ डू यू फील टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट नाव? माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, बोथ ऑफ यू.
Well, I have already
Excited.
Okay. Excited for the release or the entire working?
The entire working.
with
As it is, it's my second project which I've done, second movie which I've done, and it was a great and new experience.
सुरोपाई तुझी बुलयता गाडीच धगधग जाता राग तुजो नाकाचेर हाय कितें जाता म्हाका 36, 25, 36 क्या बात है वाह वाह वाह.
My character's name is Rose. She is a simple college student in her first year. Along the line, she faces a lot of problems with trust and with love and her father, and many problems along the way, as people do.
I already finished my college. तर केन्ना म्हाका कॉलेजचो रोल मेळ्ळो, सो आय वॉज व्हेरी एक्सायटेड. चलो कॉलेज परतून एन्जॉय करया,
परत ते दीस याद करपाक मेळटा.
याद करपाक मेळटा. सो आय गॉट दीस कॅरेक्टर कॉल्ड सायरस. सो इट इज टोटली डिफरंट फ्रॉम माय नेचर, बट एवरी कॅरेक्टर इज इम्पॉर्टंट. सो बिंग अ थिएटर एक्टर म्हाका हो एक्सपिरियन्स जेन्ना हांवें थिएटर केल्लें, सो खंयच्याय कॅरेक्टरान वचपाक एक चॅलेंज कशी, तो हो एक रोल म्हाका एक चॅलेंज कसो आसलो. एंड दीस कॅरेक्टर वॉट आय एम प्लेइंग, सायरस, हॅज ऑल द इमोशन्स. सो आय एम प्लेइंग इन दीस मूवी.
Okay, there is one incident which Prince Jacob has told me, that you got nervous in the very first shot with him. How was that experience, first of all?
Well, yes, it was my first day. My first day on set. It's the first time that I met Prince Jacob, and I was told that he was very honorable and well-respected actor, and of course I was nervous to be meeting him and working with him, as well as it was my first time working with my very good director Joywin Fernandez, and even that time I didn't even know Kevin so well. So it was all new to me and exciting and nervous, as well as I had problems with at that time I had problems speaking
you're
Konkani. No, not at all. Not at all.
Maybe you can try a little. You were on the show.
Kide sangun. Yes, again I'm nervous.
Actually, she has very good acting skills. So
That is what matters.
Acting doesn't have any language. It's universal. Actually, if you see in Bollywood, Katrina Kaif and all what they do, acting.
Correct.
So she was fabulous.
Okay, how was it working with you together? Because you share a very good screen space together in this film. Now, how was it working together?
Well, Maya was very comfortable working with. So actually, अशें पयलीं केन्ना हांवें रोल करूंक नासलो ह्या पिक्चरान जो केलाय. ओ मारिया I played a character of a 17-year-old boy. So हो character केन्ना म्हाका मेवलो opposite Maya will be there. So even I thought like what is going to be
different.
So but our director Joywin Fernandez made us very comfortable, explained each scene very well, so that we got into a character.
मोगान मी पडलं का कितें रे?
Give me a break. मोग एक टाइम पास. सगळी चेडो एक सारकी. यूज थ्रो यूज.
And what do you have to say about Joywin? Because he's done a lot of work, but this is his first feature film.
Actually, I heard that he's called King of Romance. So when I worked with him in the movie Breakup, so I saw like he makes actors very comfortable. Okay, each scene he explains very well. Okay, इतलो comfortable करता कि character न वता. Okay, character न वता आणि he experiences that character at that moment, that emotion at the moment, and it appears to be fantastic.
Okay, maybe he's a go as Yash Chopra maybe. You never know. And
Yes.
Working with this production house, the producers, was it difficult adjusting to their people?
I loved working with them. They were the most helpful, everybody, the actors, the production house, the producer, the director, Joywin, they were all so helpful to me. They all had patience and not demanding at all, and very kind, and didn't mind if I came 10 minutes late, and there was not that pressure, which especially for me, as it was my first movie, was amazing. And I think it was a big motivation for me as an actress and for my career.
You
And
said
I
you,
want to say thank you to the whole production house, by the way, for that.
you said you were a bit difficult speaking Konkani, so you तू इतना help बिल के लिए थोड़ी
No,
मच्छी.
आहेत नो सब प्रिंट जे
Everybody was helping me.
Okay, so it is more of a family affair that has taken place over the last couple of maybe months during the shoot.
Well,
And finally,
I started, everybody was a stranger, and now I know them like family. Even though we don't see so much.
तुम्हें हे picture आता final पहिला. You've seen the entire thing after the shoot.
Yes, absolutely. I've seen it during dubbing time also, and there was one small screening. So
जी ताजी idea असली ज्याचा first time maybe तू directoराक मेळलो त्या इशी idea आणि आता जेन्ना तू final product तुवें almost पळयला आसतलो ताजे भितर तुका दिसता ते जे ताणें शब्द त्या passionately ताणें तुका हो रोल सांगलेलो किंवा entire story सांगलेली तुका दिसता it has reached that benchmark.
absolutely. केन्ना तो एक scene घेता पळय in the during shoot time. So he works on that particular scene so well. 1 week discussion is there. Like he works on that particular thing. Even art direction, everything. Like he only works. He makes everything like count. Like everything, like small details. Okay. So everything he thinks. Okay, and he knows. He visualizes. He knows how it is going to be. Now it is going to appear. So तशें जे तेणें थारायल्लें तशें तें येयलें finally. So nothing like it was like what he thought. It never appeared. अशें कांयच जावना.
Okay, and regarding the producer, Jeritan Dias.
I think it requires a guts to produce such kind of film. Okay, and he has done a fantastic job. Okay, producing this movie, and like how she had a first dialogue with Prince Jacob. म्हाका first scene आसलो Prince Jacob. हांव सदांच सांगता director केन्ना म्हाका professional वांगडा scene मेवता पयली dialogue दी. Yeah, rehearse because in front of them I should be perfect. काय चुकूप करना. So तेंचे केन्ना म्हाका role मेवता तेन्ना पयलीच हांव dialogues सारखे पाठांतर आसता म्हाका. So that time when he comes next to me, so I'm okay with my dialogues at least.
Yeah.
Emotions he tells me on the set. I love her.
Are you serious?
शीतळ मारता सोंगीराचे वारे.
सायरस तूच सांगतालो तेजेर मोग करतालो म्हणो अपलोड कित्याक केली?
What do you mean?
MMS तुजी आनी रोजाची इंटरनेटाचेर अपलोड जाल्लेली आसा.
It is always nice to have a good production background. It is always nice to have a good director. It is always advantage to have a actor like Prince Jacob. So definitely as I said previously also that he might have been the godfather and the entire thing. ताणे the godfather to the director as well as the actors also. एक असो सीन बीन याद जाता तुका ताजे म्हण she got nervous. एक असो funny moment or maybe you fumbled, you could not rehearse the lines अशें बीन कितें जाला?
ओके एक सीन असलो मे बी इन पुलीस. ओके सो एक सीन टू इम्प्रूव आय मीन आय एम टॉकिंग अबाउट डिरेक्टर जॉविन फर्नांडीस. वेन एवर सीन पर्टिक्युलर सीन बरो जाता सो ही गोज एंड चेक्स. सो बरो जावंक ना जाल्यार तो परतून करूंक लायता. सो दॅट सीन इवन इफ इट इज गुड एंड इफ इट डजंट लायक सर्टन थिंग सो ही reshoots the entire scene. So he changes and he thinks and he makes it better.
So as you said, he's a king of
Yeah,
romance and also a perfectionist maybe.
Yeah. So actually not only that scene, many scenes like 2-3 more scenes in the movie. Okay, I can't tell you because suspense will be revealed.
Definitely no.
So
We want it to be till April
so many
10th.
scenes are there in the movie where if he did not like, so he's shooting again. He reshooted the scene.
Now Kevin, we see him a lot on screens. He's there. He's the celebrity of Goa. Now, can we see a lot more projects of you as well in the near future?
I hope so. I really hope so.
Are you working, or it will definitely be there in due course of time?
It will definitely be there. It will definitely come. At the moment, I'm not working on any project, but I have got many offers, and I'm pretty sure that there will be a lot more of me coming
great.
to
Before-
Goa.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Before we take your leave, I just want to know that would you like to say anything to our viewers who will be there out there at theaters on April 10th to watch your movie?
या ॲक्च्युली लोक म्हणटा न्ही आमकां गोंयकाराक कोंकणी पिक्चर करपाक जायना म्हणून लायक हाव बॉलिवूड मुवीज एंड हॉलिवूड मुवीज आर डन. सो आय थिंक दीस इज वन ऑफ द मूवी एंड ऑल्सो यू ऑल शूड कम एंड वॉच दीस मूवी because this is one of the movies, I mean, special effects are used. How in Bollywood and Hollywood you see the special effects. In this movie, Konkani film, special effects are used. So I think all should come and see this movie because it's going to be a wonderful movie and it can change the Konkani cinema scenario.
सगळ्या तुमकां इन्वाइट करता हे फिल्म पळोवपाक.
आणि हे इन्वाइट करता ऑन एप्रिल 10th पासून हे थिएटरान आमकां लागतले पिक्चर आनी डेफिनेटली ताणें इतके क्यूटली कोंकणी ट्राय केला आनी इन्विटेशन दिला तुमकां. सो डेफिनेटली हे इन्विटेशन तरी तुमी ना म्हणपाक जायना. Kevin, Maya, thank you for coming on this show and sharing your moments.
One more thing. For all the young people out there, keep following your dreams, and I would say really come to watch this movie. One, to see some good acting, and two, to support the upcoming Goan actors and the producers, and support your state, support your people, and I hope to see you all there. Mwah. Love you all.
तुमकां आतां जशे बॉलिवूड फिल्म्स जाता आनी हॉलिवूड फिल्म्स जाता तुमी पळोवपाक वयतात तशेंच कोंकणी फिल्मां पळोवपाक येयात. ओके आनी न्यू एक्टर्स ओके अपकमिंग एक्टर्स वर वॉचिंग दीस आय डोंट थिंक सो यू शूड गो टू बॉलिवूड एंड ट्राय बिकॉज इफ यू ऑल वॉच दीस मुवीज टुमोरो ऑल्सो न्यू मुवीज विल बी डन एंड यू ऑल कॅन कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट इन कोंकणी फिल्म्स एंड मेक अ कोंकणी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री ओवर हियर.
कोंकणीतलो टॅलंट चेंज जाता. टायम आसा आतां व्ह्युअर्सांक चेंज जावपाचो. एप्रिल 10th इज वॉट द मुवी इज रिलीजिंग. सो प्लीज थिएटरान वचात आनी ही मुवी पळयात.